Hey you guys, it is Adam and welcome back to my channel. So first of all, it is a new month, so happy September to you guys, also to me. And second of all, I thought let's start this month with repurchasing skincare or the products that I have emptied in the last month or before that. And I have those products, so this time I did not get products from any sites. I just got all the products from the pharmacy and I want to show you guys the products that I got. So yeah, it's just going to be like I'm talking and showing you what I bought. That's it. Like not even a haul. Haul of pharmacy products haul that I use. You could name it could be that. You could like name it that. So yeah, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys the products that I got from pharmacy that I use on a daily basis. So starting off with the Ethiglow face wash. Now you guys know that how much I love Ethiglow face wash. I've been using this from the past 6 months now and it is one of my favorite face wash. I don't have the need to change this and this one box comes for 3 months for me. It is for rupees 290 and I have already finished the last box that I had. So I had to restock it. I did not have the paisa but yeah, I got it. I thought, okay, let me just get it in the starting of the month, and I got it. So, if you guys do not know about the Ethiglow face wash, it is a skin whitening, deep cleansing facial foaming face wash. And the best part about this is the consistency of this. It is a white face wash which has like tiny molecules, but when you are rubbing it into your hand and when you're applying it, it turns into a foam and it is so soft on your skin. Gives you that lather which is very nice. It covers the whole face. A little amount of face wash is enough for your whole face, and this is the reason I love this face wash because it lasts me 3 months compared to any of the face washes I have used. Now this face wash is a water based face wash. People who have seen my videos, they know about this face wash, but for if you are new, I will tell you guys, this is the empty product that I have and this is the new one that I got. So it is a creamy skin whitening face wash. I use it for skin whitening because I'm very tanned and I get tanned very fast and I'm very like little insecure about my skin tone. So that is why I use this face wash with its deep cleansing and special actives help to reduce blemishes and lighten skin tone, and it has like tiny pink molecules globules that cleanses and work on improving the skin texture. And I did see good results using this, but then I stopped using it and then I jumped to another face wash. So after that, I realized this was my lifesaver, and I've come back to this face wash. So for a year or two anymore, I am not going to switch to any other face wash. This is going to be my mandate. Okay, yeah. So first product was the Ethiglow face wash. Why am I fumbling so much? Okay. Now the second product is some new product that I got, and it is the Ethiglow soap. The Ethiglow people, they also have a soap which reduces body tan and it is for the body. So wherever you have tan, it claims to reduce the tan, it claims to even out the skin tone. And I bought a body sunscreen. I'm so lazy to use it. Like first of all, I wake up super late in the morning and I do not have the time to do my skincare. And even if I do my skincare, it is in such a hurry. I don't bother applying sunscreen on my hands and it just go. And then I complain about how dark my hands are getting. So I was like, I need to do something about it. Other than applying sunscreen, what else can be done? Exfoliating, yes. But I got this soap which I can use on a daily basis, which I'll have to use because I want a soap to have bath. I'm just not going to have bath with water. So I got this, and it is again skin whitening deep cleansing soap, which lightens the body tone, which lightens the body tan or reduces the body tan. It has glycerin, kojic acid, and glycolic acid. Now, kojic acid is one of the main acid that helps in like evening out the skin tone or lightening the skin. So kojic acid is one of the main ingredients, and this soap has that. The ingredients from the soap are very different from the face because our face is very sensitive. So there are a very like there are ingredients that are suitable for the face, and here there are a little harsher things that our face can't tolerate but our body can obviously tolerate because the body skin is different, and it is comparing to the face, it is a little thick. So the ingredients are different, but the claim is the same. This soap is for rupees 110, and this is the first time I got it. I just wanted to try it out, so I will put a review of this soap after I see the results. But yeah, this is something that I restocked, not restocked, this is something that I got new. Okay, and the next thing that I got is the Propylene Gel Glycol Cream Emollient. This is my absolute favorite because it is a hydro nourisher that restores the natural moisture balance. Now, if you're an oily skin person, I do not know how much this is going to work for you, but for a combination to dry skin, this is your lifesaver. There is nothing that is more moisturizing than this moisturizer, and I'm not just saying it for the sake of saying. This moisturizer was literally not known. Once it got famous on YouTube and then everywhere it was out of stock, I have literally roamed 3 months to get this back in stock and buy it. And that time it was, I think, only for rupees 250, and now because people want it, the rate has, the last time I got it was for 315. This time I got it for rupees 346 business. But yeah, this is a propylene glycol cream. Now, propylene glycol is a substance that helps, not only moisturizes, but helps, like even if you have a acne causing bacteria, it kills that bacteria. So this does a work of protecting your face from the acne, killing the bacteria, and also super lightweight, super moisturizing. You're not going to feel like you have anything on your skin. It is a 100-gram package, and this also, last time I got it, it lasted me for around 4 months. It is a big pack, so again, spending on this was just easy for me because it is going to last long, and I don't have to like restock it again and again. And the last thing that I got is this Selsun Sulfite Topical Suspension USB Cell Shampoo. Now, I got the suggestion of this shampoo because I was in the clinic, and I just asked, like I had some patches on my body, like not white patches, some other patches, and I went to the doctor and he said me, do you have dandruff, because that can cause it. And that is why he gave me this shampoo, and she told me that use it on your scalp for 3 to 4 minutes. Just keep it for 4 minutes and then wash it off. It will reduce acne, and also put a little lotion on the places where you have the marks. It is going to reduce, and that is why I use this. And ever since I've used this, use this only twice. I use this twice a week for 3 to 4 minutes before. Like, you could use any shampoo, but before using any shampoo, this is supposed to be kept on for 3 to 4 minutes, and I have seen really good results. Like, before, I had flaking of the skin, not much. Even she said it was not much. There was a little flaking, but after using this, that flaking has completely stopped. Also, the marks that I have, that have reduced. So this is again one lifesaver that I got, and that is why I restocked it. And this cost me around rupees 421. This is was very small bottle, but it is a little expensive, but does the job. This is another product that I got, and these are the four products. I didn't get a lot of products. I just got what was needed, and these were the most needed, I feel. So these are all the products that I got. I wanted to not crib about not having skincare, because right now, I don't know, sometimes my skin is so good and sometimes I have all these tiny bumps. I don't know, because is it because of my eating habits or because of other habits, I do not know. But I wanted my skin to be really nice, and there is a feast coming, so I don't want to break out anywhere. So I got the things that are important. Yeah, so these were the products that I got, and I just wanted to show it to you guys. If you guys want to use any of these products, make sure you're talking to your dermat, getting an approval, and then using. Blindly do not use any products, do not go buy any products without the consultation of a dermat. Blindly don't go to buy any products, don't go to use any products, don't go to experiment, because once it's worsened, there is no coming back. So before using any products, just take a confirmation from your dermat, and then you're good to go. With that being said, I will meet you guys in the next video. Bye. I just